Lemon Soul Makadi Garden, Hurghada, Egypt. Located in the heart of Makadi Bay, Lemon Soul Makadi Garden offers an all-inclusive, comfortable stay with essential facilities and services for all guests. Whether a couple, family, or friends alike, the hotel provides a memorable and fun experience for all. Designed with the zesty and unique Lemon Soul style, a playful and vibrant character is displayed through every element and corner of the hotel. Guests can expect to be welcomed by joyous yellow and green colored decorations and the scent of citrus fruits upon arrival. The all-inclusive concept offers a comfortable stay with various dining options, daily entertainment, and a variety of activities. Aside from the full facilities and services, guests at Lemon Soul Makadi Garden have easy access to the beach through the hotel's complimentary shuttle service. With a few minutes drive, guests can conveniently reach the glittering azure sea and enjoy various activities, from waterspouts to snorkelling. Artists in the beauty of Makadi Bay in Hurghada and discover a mesmerizing experience while staying at Lemon Soul Makadi Garden. The hotel boasts 281 air-conditioned rooms and suites with balconies and versatile amenities, providing the utmost comfort for all guests. The lemon-inspired decoration welcomes all guests with a sense of joy to inspire a fun and zesty holiday. All room types include a LED television, satellite TV channels, a safe deposit box, a phone, a minibar, and a private bathroom with a shower and hairdryer. Either traveling as a couple, a family, or a group of friends, the selection of our accommodation is designed to meet the needs of all types of guests. Lemon Soul Makadi Garden offers an array of culinary delights for your all-inclusive holiday in Hurghada, Red Sea. Our wide range of culinary offerings allows you to indulge in a variety of local and international cuisines. Our bars at the pool and rooftop also offer various drinks in different backdrops and settings. For guests who have a sweet tooth, our gelateria located by the pool bring a smile to their faces with a wide selection of ice cream. A nice treat after a long day in the sun. Additionally, the hotel offers a shuttle bus to the Labranda Promenade located in our Labranda sister hotels. At the promenade, guests can discover an array of restaurants and bars with a variety of cuisines ranging from Asian, Cuban, Italian, Greek, and much more. Embark on a journey to rejuvenate your mind and body. Our spa is modeled after our very own concept, La Brise. The decor is soothing and offers a relaxing environment for guests. Our spa comprises 3 single treatment rooms and 1 double massage room. Guests can choose from a wide range of massages and treatments or embark on a Turkish hammock journey for a pampering experience. Steam and sauna are also available to improve blood circulation and relieve muscle pain.